Hello guys and welcome back po sa Tarot Page Philippines. So, gawin natin, ituturo ko sa inyo as a card reader. So, ito yung sa mga ginagamit ko, the spread. Especially kapag medyo specific yung kailangan kong malaman. So, tinawag ko siya as bridging the gap. Kumaga, ano yung steps na kailangan mong gawin to reach from point A to point B. So, bago ko siya i-share sa inyo, if you're new sa channel, please subscribe, like, and share. And this spread is maganda siya, especially if you're a tarot card reader or meron kang client na meron siyang specific na concern, kailangan niya specific instructions, or let's just say na bago ka sa practice, bago inspire ka magbasa ng cards, maganda to as one of your basic readings para sa sarili mo. So, paano ba siya ginagawa? So, let's have a question. So, ang question ang question ko is, maisip tayo, ano ba maganda? So, parang question natin siguro maganda, paano ko ma-reach? Let's be more, guys, sa question pala, be always specific, para specific din yung answer. So, let's say ang question ko, how can I reach 100,000 subscribers in YouTube before matapos yung 2025? Okay. So say shuffle natin yung cards. So, marami namang way kung mag-shuffle. So, bahala ka na kung paano shuffle na gusto mo. Then, after nun, tingnan mo yung cards. You will pipili ka ng dalawang cards. Yung unang card, ito yung nagde-describe nung situation mo ngayon. Yung pangalawang card, yun yung card na nagde-describe ng gusto mong destination. So, let's say, ano bang pwede nagde-describe sa akin? Well, feeling ko ito, kasi nakatali ako na ang bagal sa growth na naranasan ko. Now, ayan. So, Wheel of Fortune naman yung feeling ko kasi this is about expansion and it's about growth. Yan yung feeling ko na magde-describe ng future na gusto ko. So, shuffle natin. Ayan. Then, of course, after natin i-shuffle, ayan. Ayan. Kukuha ko ngayon ng 3 cards. Preferably, ito advisable lang, pero hindi naman required, I use my left hand sa pag-pick. Why? This is the left symbolizes kasi our subconscious mind. So, kukuha ko ng 3 cards anywhere. Okay. So, and then siguro to. Ayan. Tabi lang natin muna siya. Okay. So, if you will see na parang merong bridge na hanash dito. Hanash. So again, this is my situation. Yung nga, feeling ko nakatali ako. I'm bounded. But this is where I want to be. And it's the Wheel of Fortune. It's about expansion. It's about growth. Kasi connected to with the planet Jupiter. And in astrology, Jupiter, it's about luck. It's about expansion. So, tingnan natin. So, paano ko binubuksan yung cards? Iba kasi ginaganto. Okay, so I don't do that. No, we don't do that. Ganyan. Mas prefer ko siya na parang tinaturn ko, na parang book, pwedeng ganyan, or ganito. Why? Una-una, nape-preserve niya yung position ng cards. Is if it's upright or reverse. So, mag-applicable to lalo na kapag nagbabasa ka ng mga reverse cards. And andoon din na parang ka nagtaturn ng susi, nag-open ka ng door. Ngayon, di ba? So, yung first, ito yung steps na kailangan kong sundan. So, the 2 of Wands, the Sun, halas siya, and the Ace of Cups. Tama to sa universe, oh. So, so, since meron ka na nabunot na cards, these 3 cards, kapag binasa mo, ito yung magiging steps ko. Ito sa akin reading to Ito yung steps ko, paano ko ma-reach tong goal ko. So, since, ayun nga, minsan, so, medyo basa ito ng very light para sa inyo. So, 2 is about partnership and balance. So, 1 is about fire, passions, and energies. So, isa sa advice sa akin ng cards right now is also to partner and network with individuals na merong same level ng intensity and desire ko. So, parang sinasabi sa akin dito, para hindi ako parang yung para kang stick sa apoy. Pag lumayo kasi ako, nagbo-burn, pero eventually I might die out, mawala apoy. Kailangan makijoin ako sa mga tao na may pareho kaming desire for growth, desire for expansion. Kumbaga, network, partnership, yung mga tipong collaboration. Now, the sun kasi, this is about shining. So, it's about me to shine. And doon na I need to also learn how to give way to other people. Kumbaga, more on the giving side ako. Medyo andun muna ako sa background. Tapos, I'll need to help other people to shine, to grow. Siguro kasi for good karma din to na pag ginawa ko. So, it's one thing na kailangan ko din i-focus on sa sarili ko. It's giving back to the universe, pay it forward, para sa akin naman din bumalik. Kasi, yun yung one thing about karma. Kasi ang karma hindi naman lagi masama to kaya nga 'di ba, may passage, I think sa Luke yata yon or sa Acts, hindi ko maalala kung saan. Sabi doon, give, ayan na, give, isa lang, pero it shall come back to you. Good measure, pressed down, shaken together, and running over. The measure that you've used will be used for you. So, ibig sabihin nun, pag nagbigay ako at yung heart ko is andoon, ang balik niya sa akin 7 beses. So, siguro, advisable din yan sa inyo. If you really need more blessings into your life, give more. Pero dapat, with, yung heart nyo, andoon na nagbibigay. Because, with the Ace of Cups, yung susunod, kasi yung Ace is about creation beginnings. Cups is about emotions and the heart. Universe, umayos ka. Masaya muna ako magiging single. So anyway, so there will be deeper connections akong parating. And these connections, hindi lang siya on a professional level. Hindi lang siya siguro on a spiritual level. It will magkakaroon ako ng deeper connection in terms of emotion. Universe, magkape ka muna. Ano mga pinagsasasabi mo dyan? Na andoon na this will be a supportive person sa life ko. Andoon na, actually magiging andun pa nga yung point na matututo din siya, na i-inspire siya. So, andoon din na gusto niya rin. So, magtutulungan kami mag-grow. At meron, ang pwede ko ma-share sa kanya is about the spiritual path. Siya naman, on the technical aspect naman siya. It will be a give and take. Na may mga kailangan ako na siya magpo-provide and vice versa. So, this is how you bridge the gap para ma-reach ko yung desire ko. Pagkaroon ng at least 100,000 subscribers before the end of the year. So, readers, I hope nakatulong yan sa inyo. So, it is something that you can use to help yung mga clients nyo. So, also, maganda rin siya for people na kailangan ng guidance. So, guys, I hope nakatulong. So, please, again, subscribe, like, and share. If kailangan nyo po ng private reading, pwede kayo mag-message sa page po natin. Yung link is nasa description sa baba. And also may tutulong sa inyo na admin. And if you want to be a member para magkaroon kayo access sa ating mga extended readings and exclusive videos, just click po yung join button sa baba. Donations, pwede nyo pong i-click yung parang, ayan, heart, yung heart sa baba, yung thanks. Ayan, you can send donations. Nagiging cat food kasi yun So, maraming salamat sa inyo. God bless, namaste, Hare Krishna, and blessed be. And I hope nakatulong yung na-share ko sa inyo. Mula po dito sa Dominican Hill in Baguio City, you have a great day. I'll see you soon po. Bye!